Really taking it pretty easy, guys. Only have one open position, and that is in Meta. I'm in the 190 calls. They are just above my average as we speak. It's been consolidating around this 170.70 level all day, and I'm waiting for this hourly candle close at 130, or excuse me, guys, at 330, guys. And I would like to see that close over the 170.80 level to stay long the position. 170.78 level, excuse me. We are back above that level on Meta as we speak, guys. QQQ trying to stage a little bit of a reversal here. Tesla has been the big one that's kind of been weighing down the indices, and that is reversing off the 870 level as we speak right now, guys. And if we can continue to see Tesla reverse to the upside, then we should see a reclaim of this 320.75 zone on the Qs, right? So Meta, nice move back over 170.80 here, guys. This is going to be an important spot. I'm paying attention to QQQ right now because I want to see if we're going to reclaim that level. SPY did just have a little bit of a 15-minute trap at the low of the day zone. So I am keeping an eye on SPY as well here, guys. Nice. Tesla ripping off that 870 level now. That should help to boost SPY QQQ a little bit here, guys. If you're wondering, this is the 15-minute trap on SPY, so we need to see that upside confirmation for that to validate. Market just feels kind of weird to me right now, guys. I don't feel the need to be like heavily sized into really anything. I like the Meta trade because of its relative strength alongside Netflix today, but it's going to need to close this hourly candle here in about 24 minutes above that 170.80 zone. 170.78. We're just consolidating right on that level right now. About 15 minutes till this candle closes, guys. Nvidia trying to get a leg up here as well, which would obviously help the overall market, which is kind of like, there's not a lot of relative weakness in Meta, but it's hard for it to gain a lot of strength either because the overall market is weaker. Nice move up on Qs here a little bit with Nvidia moving up slightly here, guys. Nice move on Meta. Nice move on the Qs. Very nice. Nvidia leg up here would be really helpful. Need to get through this 320 zone, guys. 320.20 here on the Qs is big. Tesla getting a leg up. Nice. Remember, guys, that Tesla really follows Nvidia pretty closely, right? So nice move on Tesla off that 870 level, guys. But Tesla, again, going to come into some resistance here at pre-market lows, right? So just need to make sure we hold that 875 zone, and that can be, you know, a bullish move for tech to the upside. I do feel a little bit better about the overall market with Tesla over pre-market low at that 875 zone, guys. I will say that. So that's part of the reason I'm also kind of staying in some of the long side trades I have right now. I kind of view that pre-market low zone as a health area. So nice. Meta at key level. Bust through here on Meta, will be in good shape. We need Tesla continuation to the upside. Nvidia is getting some continuation here, which is very good, very, very good for us on the long side with Meta. It's going to be our last 15 minutes before we go into the hourly close, guys. So going to be very important. All right, Tesla going to retest pre-market lows here, and that's going to be an important spot. Volume is super light right now, guys. That's why I'm not entering any new trades. The price action is much more deceptive right now with how light the volume is. So just to show you guys what I'm looking for here on Meta, right, I want to see this candle get back over this level right here. We're about to close this hourly candle. Let's see if they trap shorts here. Shorts definitely came in pretty heavy here, guys, and we're about 3 minutes into this candle. So for Meta to trap shorts, it needs to get back over that 170.77 area. Who else reports after hours? Upstart.
Novavax.
Unvax.
Marathon. Digital Turbine. T2. Clover. Lemonade. Blink.
Lemonade, okay. QQQ trying to push back up here, guys. Let's see. Yep, Meta pushing. Q's pushing. Q's back over 320. Right at that 320 level, excuse me, guys. So again, really tight range here. Let's see if they trap here, guys. Really big spot on Meta. Big spot on the entire market here. Q's back over 320 here, guys. They're going to try to trap here on Meta. Let's see if they can get back through that level. At the key level here on Meta, let's see if they can push. This would be a nasty short trap here if they trap it right here at this level, guys. Looks like they're gonna. Nice tape on Meta here. I'm gonna put the level 2 like right here, so you guys can see. Like, I want to see bids, like, see how like bids keep like. It's tough to describe like with words, but you see how like the tape starts to move fast on the bid side. That means that people are pushing the bid up, right? Which means the stock is going to see a rise, right? So we want to see like bigger bids keep like rapidly coming in here, right? Like, this is a pretty slow tape overall, but nice. Meta back over the key level. Beautiful, beautiful. Nice move on the Qs, guys. Great, great stuff right there. That's good on Meta, guys. Let's see if we can confirm that trap. If so, we can get a nice move back to 173 here into the close. Nice. See, that's good. We want to see kind of that rapid bid movement is good. So we have a small wall at 171, which we want to see taken out. But we really, as long as we hold this 170.70 level, that's good. To me, that means, you know, definitely a little bit of long side bias into the close. This tape is really slow, guys. The level 2 is really slow here. Like, we're just, you know, every time we come into the key level, though, what you want to see is bids coming in, right? So we're right at the key level right now. You want to see bids continue to push in here, right? And not like rapid drops in the bid price. You want to see it start to like skip, right? That's probably the best word I could use would be skip. All right, so 5-minute candle closed over key level there. Let's see if they push. 5 minutes left in this 15-minute candle, guys, and in the hourly candle, which is the bigger one, right? So we could have a larger time frame candle trap on Meta here. See how the wick is extending down? That's the trap, right? Because they bring the candle down, but it closes over the key level, right? So let's watch how this hourly candle closes here in the next 5 minutes. We want it to close over that 170.70 zone, right? And that would have me stay long the trade. That's good, right? This is a candle trap. That's what you want to see, guys. Because in my opinion, most of the time those validate upside. Nice. Good move on Meta here, guys. You guys can let me know in the live chat if this is like helping with the level 2 and stuff and illustrating the trap. I know there's some newer people in here. Nice bids coming into that Meta level 2, guys. Trying to break back over 171 here. Nice. Meta back through 171. Still got 3 minutes, guys, so Meta right at that key level, guys. Nvidia trying for a bigger leg up here in VWAP reclaim, which could help Tech push into the close. But again, we have 1 minute and 10 seconds left to close over this 170.70 level on Meta. Nice big moves up across Qs, etc. here, guys. Nice move on Nvidia. Remember, Nvidia kind of playing follow the leader here with the rest of the market right now, guys. Nvidia really moving up now. VWAP test on Nvidia here, guys. Let's see. We should see the rest of Tech kind of follow alongside with the Qs getting a lift. Big move up on Nvidia towards VWAP now. Meta over the key level. Meta closed right at the key level, guys. Closed over. So I'm still long for the time being. That was a by the skin of your teeth close over, though, so I'm going to keep it tight. Nvidia pushing up. Nvidia really pushing here through VWAP, guys. Let's see. Market selling a bit here off that candle, guys. Q's and SPY look like we might rip here. Yep, Q's, SPY trying to rip to the upside here. This price action is just not very nice, guys. It's kind of ugly price action, but we are seeing some sticks across the market in tech, so I'm staying long Meta for the time being, guys. And that last candle did close over, so nice. Big wick down and then push back over here. Let's see. Nice on the Q's and SPY. That'll help Meta. I'm not married to this trade, guys. I'm probably not going to take a ton of it overnight. But I would like to see how it closes because Nvidia is really ripping. Here comes QQQ. They have just been trapping at this level all day. Nvidia through VWAP, though, that's definitely good for the overall market, guys. So that's kind of keeping me here, especially with that last candle closing over the 170.70 level. But I would like to see continuation upside now. But note these big wicks down, guys. This is more bullish, right? That usually signals that there's a lot of buying pressure at the 170 level. Nvidia closed over VWAP. SPY back over 413 here. QQQ definitely looking more bullish here, guys. Wow, Nvidia, nice move up over VWAP, guys. Meta, I reduced a little bit of my size here, guys, down to 200 contracts. Not like crazy in love with the setup, so I reduced a little bit of my size, about a third of my size here. Just adjusting my risk. We are still over that key level, but I just don't exactly love the overall market right now. I filled 20 on that. I posted the fill under the picture on Twitter. I'm still holding 2/3 of the position, guys, but again, I would like to see a push to the upside here on the Qs. The market just feels a little bit heavy, and I don't love holding like higher confidence positions with price action like this because it's just not A+. So, but Meta moving decently right now. Wow, NVIDIA big upside move here, guys. This should push the Qs and Meta to the upside. Meta over the key level here, guys. We'll see how we close here. 5 minutes left on this candle. Nice move on Qs. Nice. Big move up on NVIDIA here, guys. This should push us here. Nice move on NVIDIA. Nice move on Meta, guys. Beautiful. Want to see Qs get over this level. Nice. Good move across the market. Here's 171 on Meta, guys. Wow, NVIDIA monster move. Big time close here on OIG as well, guys. $20 seconds, guys. Meta close over again by the skin of its teeth, but it closed over. This price action is painful to go through. I will say that, guys. This is not the type of price action that I like to be trading. Leg up, across. right, guys, last 2 minutes. I am holding Meta. I have 200 contracts left, guys, so basically like 45% of my size. The reason I'm holding is because I do like that we're going to close over 170 here. I still think that this setup has a decent amount of validity to it, especially the thesis with Netflix going, because Netflix is holding that key level also. But keep in mind, I'm risking a very, very small portion of my account, guys. The market absolutely feels heavier today, 100%. But we haven't given up any key levels across SPY, QQQ yet, right? Like SPY still holding that 412, Q's holding 320. So those are big, important things, right, that are kind of contributing to the fact that I'm going to take this position overnight. But keep in mind, I'm risking, 4% of my account, guys. That's very, very small in terms of risk, really. So I'm prepared to possibly take a 40% loss on this position, but to me the risk reward is there, especially with the flow that we saw today. So but nothing, like I said, that I'm like really taking like extreme size with. Yes, the OIG is a swing.